Welcome to Grade 2 EVS Chapter Different Sense Organs and Eyes. Session 1. Let us see. Dear children, kindly observe the given pictures and tell me what can you see in the first picture and how does the rose smell from the second picture, and show the answers on the placards. Dear children, kindly observe the following pictures. We can see drums. Now tell me, how is the sound of drums? In the next picture, we can see a burger. Tell me, how does a burger taste? In the third picture, we can see a boy with rashes. Tell me, how do the rashes feel? And show the answers on the placards. Dear children, let us quickly check your correct responses now. In the first picture, we can see the sun. And in the second picture, the roses smell sweet. Let us now check the responses for the following images too. For the first image, the correct response is the sound of drums is loud. For the second image, the response is a burger tastes yummy. And for the third image, the correct response is the rashes feel itchy. Dear children, let us now get into the concept our body. Our body is a wonderful machine. It can do a lot of things. Different parts of our body helps us in various ways. Some parts like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin helps us to sense the world around us. These parts are called sense organs. They make us aware of our surroundings. They are like our windows to the world. Here we can see our sense organs. Eyes helps us to see. Nose helps us to smell. Ears helps us to hear. Tongue helps us to taste. And skin helps us to feel. Let us now move on to our sense organ, eyes. Eyes are an important part of our body. Without our eyes, we would not be able to see anything. They help us know about different colors, shapes and sizes. Eyes see things and send messages to our brain about them. The brain then tells us what we are seeing. Dear children, let us now see some examples related to this concept. And let's see some more facts about eyes. It is important to keep our eyes clean. We should wash our eyes with plenty of clean water every day. Watching too much television or playing games on the phone can be harmful for our eyes. Let us see some more facts about our eyes. In order to help us see, we need light. This light can be natural or man-made. Sun and stars are examples of natural sources of light. Candles, tube lights, bulbs, lanterns are some example of man-made sources of light. Some fireflies and deep sea fishes also give light. Dear children, let us quickly check your understanding from the concepts learned now. First question. How many sense organs do we have? Second question. How do we read and name the sense organ which help us to read? Let us quickly check your correct responses. For the question 1, how many sense organs do we have? The correct responses, we have 5 sense organs. For the second question, how do we read and name the sense organ which help us to read? We read using our eyes. Dear children, let us now attempt some questions related to this concept. Answer the following questions. Fill in the blanks. First one, we blank this wonderful world through our eyes. Second one, we should blank our eyes properly. Next question, sort the following sources of light into natural and man-made sources of light. Dear children, let us quickly check your correct responses. For the question number 1, we see this wonderful world through our eyes. Second one, we should clean our eyes properly. The next question, sort the following sources of light into natural and man-made sources of light. From the images, the right responses we identified is natural are stars, lightning, sun, and fire. Man-made are firework, lighthouse, torch, match, and car light. Dear children, let us now practice the concepts learned in this chapter by doing some activities that are very interesting and fun to do. Let us now do an I teach activity with your parents. Dear children, blindfold your parents with the help of soft cloths and ask if they are able to see the objects or person in front of them. Then open the blindfold and ask if they can see the things or objects. Tell them we see the things with the help of our eyes. Let us now do an I do activity. Draw few examples of natural and man-made sources of light on a sheet of paper and color it. Let us now solve some questions related to the concept that we learned in this chapter. Read the questions given in front of you and write the response for each question. We have successfully completed this concept, but what are the skills that we developed during this session? We developed the skill of observation, analysis, and comprehension. Thank you so much, my dear ones. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning.